We will talk about linked lists in C. As the name suggests, it is a list which is linked to each other. It is linked in this particular fashion where all nodes are linked linearly. Not like nonlinear fashion, example tree. This association must be linear in nature. Here, you can traverse through each node in single run, while traversing is not possible in nonlinear linking in single run. In tree case, if you traverse from node 1 to node 2, you will not be allowed to traverse to further node. So, linked list is arranged in linear fashion. In C programming language, these all nodes are connected with other node with the help of pointer concept. Node 2 memory address is stored in node 1. Node 3 memory address is stored in node 2. Node 4 memory address is stored in node 3. And last node is not connected to any further node. So, I kept null there. This memory address would be stored in some pointer. So, all node will contain some data and one pointer to store the data of next node address. Here every node will contain data of different data type which can be stored in structure. Next question we could take array of data structure for this implementation, which is linear and traversing is also possible at one go. So, why do we need linked list? Let's look closely inside array of structure. Here, memory will allocate it statically at compile time, and this memory would be allocated contiguously. If structure size is 4 bytes, a contiguous memory would be allocated to array of structure. Here I took the array size 4. Consider the scenario of memory allocation for much bigger array size, say 1 lakh. A contiguous memory of size 4 lakh bytes would be required. This is huge requirement. There are many drawbacks of this kind of memory allocation. First one, program may crash due to unavailability of contiguous memory. Second one, this much of data would be allocated throughout the program execution, which will again impact the memory allocation for other fields. Third one, it will degrade the system performance, because huge memory would be occupied by this array of structure. And many more drawbacks are there, I have just listed out few. The main drawback is large contiguous memory requirement. Let's look memory allocation for linked list now. Here, I took a structure for node, which contains two elements. First one is a variable of an integer data type. So, it will contain 4 bytes. The second element of this structure is a node pointer, which will also contain 4 bytes, considered 32-bit processor. So, this structure size would be 8 bytes. Here, total of 8 bytes of contiguous memory would be required for one node allocation. Nodes are created dynamically in linked list as per the requirement. Suppose these 4 nodes are created with dynamic memory allocation. Let's say, node 1 memory is allocated at 8000. Node 2 memory is allocated at 8050. Node 3 memory is allocated at 8070. And node 4 memory is allocated at 9000. These nodes are linked linearly with the help of node pointer. Address of node 2 is stored in node 1 pointer. Address of node 3 is stored in node 2 pointer. Address of node 4 is stored in node 3 pointer. Notice carefully, only 8 bytes of contiguous memory was required for every node. And all nodes are connected to each other with the help of node pointer. So, in case of linked list, small contiguous memory is allocated at different part of the memory and linked in linear fashion with the help of pointer. Whereas in case of array of structure, huge amount of contiguous memory is required. This is the major advantage of linked list over array of structure. So, a linked list is a linear collection of data structures, whose placement is not defined in any particular fashion. Instead, each element points to the next. Its advantages are, node insertion and deletion is easier, as these nodes are created at runtime. So, linked list size is dynamic, which is a plus point from system performance point of view. It has some drawbacks as well. We cannot access any node randomly. Like, we cannot access node 3 without traversing through node 1 and node 2 in this example. Second drawback is, extra space is required for node pointer. I will discuss about different types of linked list in next video. Thank you.